Alright, welcome back people to MG Sports, and we have here with us Knocking as well.
You don't know a blast. Give thanks, you know. We're not pre-MG, because MG never put we in at the title. I know I only just in the video when we are doing it again. But
alright, you are going. You don't know, because people come in the comment section and say, oh, man, I feel up on the program, you know.
Alright,
yeah,
that's
man,
true. I'm there again, people.
So you don't know, ensure say you go support Knockings on both true. IG and the YouTube channel. Let me tell you people, if we talk about Premier League, English Premier League, they say place there. Right there,
true. When we are touching a JPL, because you don't know, so we're there with the god of JPL. MG. Ready for
so you are going. So we're going to touch, first of all, we have to discuss Leon Bailey. No, Leon Bailey has helped his team to reach the Champions League. Don't know,
big
brilliant season, one of his best seasons.
Best season.
What's your thoughts on Leon Bailey's performance so far this season?
Honestly, Leon Bailey been electric this season. You can see even the amount of time the camera even turn upon him, you can know say only star. The camera keep on as turn to. He's a star player.
The Aston Villa IG page.
Every week is Leon. And him deserve it. He deserve it, because how much goes him on right now? I think he's also on what? 14 or so go. I'm not even sure. I would have to check by the stats more and tell him, but a season. I think this is best season.
Yeah, numbers wise, the best season.
Best season.
Overall.
It tell you what day we were watching the match and it's the same Malivan play through an injury.
Yeah.
And then play 100 and odd minutes. You get me what I'm saying?
You're surprised that Emery never take him off?
Very, but I realize how much Emery trusts him. Because even though we look at him and see him was 100, him still did affect the game.
Yeah.
Him was very critical.
Create some chances as well.
Very critical player.
So he look good. He look good so far. It's a good look. Me ask a question. This is kind of controversial, you know.
Yeah, man.
Based off of the support that Leon Bailey get from the Aston Villa fans at this present moment and how the trust Emery get in, you think the Jamaican supporters at this present moment give him that?
Honestly,
despite the interview with him though?
No. Honestly, I know personally how much people still, you know. I don't like to even talk to Leon. Even though me too feel disrespected, because from this Jamaica, this me too.
Yeah.
You don't know me all for Jamaica. You get what I say? But I understand how him feel. Him say a lot of things, but I just think it's how him say it. Some of the things them too. I'm not saying that and some of the things them I just honestly think you shouldn't say.
Yeah.
Honestly, but it's an interview and him talking mind.
From your perspective, if you have something to say to him now where you think that can really get in him head to help him bounce back, what would you say to him?
I said, Leon, remember when he was a little boy, 17. That's all he did want to play for Jamaica at that time. He did want national team. Don't make being at Aston Villa or whatever. I understand, say, you have to be at a certain level, fitness-wise and whatever, and what you have gone through might affect your major career, which is your club career right now. But don't forget how much you love Jamaica and want to represent Jamaica. Because everybody, when them just start play football, you want to reach the national team.
That is true. That is true. We all want that's how we aim. Once we start play football, we make it in national team. That's our dream. That's our dream. So far, it's a good look. Other than that, I think it's a good look. And personally, as I say, I think he was upset about the situation. Nevertheless, you don't know, so your words can't take back, you know. What big man now, what be accountable for action.
Him not 17.
Yeah.
Him what? 27, 27 in August.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. So that's.
So he's not a child anymore. So he'll be held accountable for his actions and the things himself. So definitely, but we have to give him praises for
what a season though. What a season. We can't put it down. It's one of the best seasons Jamaican has had in English
top flight. Yeah, top flight. One of the best seasons.
Yeah.
I think
it is impossible. I think
Fulham
have to make a video about this. No, man, we're going to make a video about this.
Fulham a legend, you know.
I don't dispute that.
A legend,
but don't count out what Bailey do. Bailey carry himself got Champions League, you know.
But the numbers alone, you know. Let me tell you, you see, football is tribalism, you know.
Only Watkins had a lot to do with it.
Yeah, man.
Let me not, but Bailey was very critical.
But you have to understand, no, say, when we use the term legend, you know, and your impact, you know, it also have to do with the support, what them feel about you, how them feel towards you. The years of Fuller,
that is true.
The years of Bibi, they are both.
Yeah, that is true.
So tell him they are both and so tell him captain the team,
not even
the top flight football. So
that's what I'm just about to tell you. Say, I respect Bibi and all of them, but come on. Don't put down what the young youth are doing.
No man, none at all. None at all.
And a big baller. Although him deserve. Although him diss me, him this Jamaica and this Arsenal, I'm not going to forget that at all.
He deserve all I applaud.
But it's a Jamaica at the end of the day, so I want him to do well.
He deserve all I applaud. So, but certainly, think that can cover everything surrounding Lee and Billy. Congratulations.
Yeah, go on.
Congratulations, Lee and Billy.
I know.
Go on the work we have put in. And when the season break, please go look on the injury there. In case anything,
Yeah.
you know, so you can start back the season fresh.
That are
now
true.
that we're about.
Like when you're not playing a ball for Jamaica.
Exactly.
Jah know, bro. God know.
Yeah.
Forward back. I feel he can forward back same
I think
way.
so too. He can
Don't
come back.
it? He can
Can come back. But
Yeah,
he can
man.
come. You don't know.
Jamaican people
the
forget
team-
easy to, you know.
we
might there.
We might forgive him now. But remember, this is the team too. The team, or impact the team, or impact the coach.
Cause we know how them never like that. We know a whole heap of people.
The team
Me
and the
you
coach.
personally know
Yeah,
different
people-
players
way off-
and the team.
way
how
off it,
them
yeah.
feel. Yeah, that's
So that's
crazy.
that's
crazy.
the one. That's another
crazy.
part. Right? So yeah, but that, nothing that no apology can fix still. So
You know, so
No one look apology. Why me
big
sorry?
baller, so what we
Yeah.
say, come in.
Come in, man.
I don't like that. But so one of them things there.
yeah.